Hi friends, this is a problem given to us. In this graph, we need to show the trees, twigs and links. Okay, we need to frame different type of trees from this graph and we need to show the twigs and also links. So I don't like to confuse you anymore actually. So these I have used blue color pen with for nodes. So let me draw the nodes first. As we know, tree contains all the nodes. So let me draw the nodes first to draw the first tree. So I want to take the nodes. So my first node is this one. Yeah, this is the graph given to us. There are 4 nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 branches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. This is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now I want to draw twigs with red color. That means I want to draw the tree now. So let me draw the tree. So I need to cover all the 4 things. So let me cover one by one. Maybe, yeah, there is no closed path. There should not be any closed path. Just observe it. So that's all. My 4 twigs, 4 nodes have been cleared. Have been covered. So let me clearly write here. You can observe. Let me write in black color. So nodes are 1, 2, 3. They are encircled as you already noticed, and branches are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I can say that my nodes are, number of nodes are 4, number of branches are 5. Okay, let us see the problem also. You can solve it. So that's also, this is the problem. So it's a very simple concept. We have 4 things and we have 4 nodes and we have 5 branches. Out of 5 branches, by using any of the 5 branches, we need to frame a tree. So tree means it is a combination of some branches, but there should not be any closed loop. For example, if I have taken 4th branch also, then this is a closed path. So it's not a tree. If I have taken 5th one, it's not a tree because it will be a closed path. So this is my tree. Okay, now this is my tree. So I can simply say I will represent my twigs with red color and I will represent my links with green color. So in first one, the links, of course, I will represent the links in dotted lines also. Otherwise I can straight away write it. So these are the twigs. So up to this, it is these lines are twigs. Maybe let me give the numbering also. Branch 1, branch 2, branch 3 are twigs in this first tree. Okay, and the links are branch 4 and branch 5. Branch 4 and branch 5 are links. Okay, this is branch 4 and this is branch 5. So these are the links. Okay, so let me write in a very good. Yes, I have set it for our convenience. So this is the given graph. So in this graph we have 4 nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4 encircled and 5 branches. These are the 5 branches and this is tree A. Okay, I have made it with the 3 branches, 1, 2 and 3, and these 3 branches are called twigs. As we know, these 3 branches are called twigs as they are the branches of a tree. So now I can write here for tree A, the twigs are 1, 2, and 3, and links are 4 and 5. Okay, so let me proceed further for the next type of tree. So before proceeding, let me take the 4 nodes here: node 1, node 2, node 3, and node 4. So these are the 4 nodes here, and let me write this. Let me name this tree as tree B. Okay, so this is tree B, and let me write the twigs and links here. You just observe. So I will take the red color for the twigs. So previously I have taken this 1. So here also I will take branch 1. Let me take branch 4 here, and let me take branch 3 here. Yeah, such that there is no closed loop. If you can see, there is no closed loop here, and you can all nodes have to be covered. So all nodes have been covered, and there is no closed loop. So this is the concept, and the remaining branches are these two. Yeah. So this is in red color. So let me write the numbers, branch numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now tell me, what are the branch twigs here? So the red color ones are the twigs. So that is 1, 3, and 4. For example, if you are writing in a single pen, maybe in a blacking pen, for example, you can make the twigs as thick lines, and for links as dotted lines. Okay, just like this. Okay, so that is the differentiation. So you can follow simply. Yeah, so what are the links? 2, 5 are the links. Similarly, let me move forward. Yeah, let me take another set of things. So the first node is 1 here, and this is second node, and this is third node, and this is fourth node. Okay, simply these are the nodes. So let me go ahead with twigs. Anything can be done, maybe. Yeah, so this is a tree. Okay, and the twigs are like this, and the remaining things I will join with green color. That's all, and let me write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let me give the name as C. So the tree C has twigs of 1, 2, and 4, and links are 3 and 5. That's all. Yeah, so let's move forward and let us see the next tree, how best we can frame one more tree. So simply we need to follow the same steps here also, and let me take nodes, second node, and this is third node, and this is fourth node. So let me start drawing the tree, I mean twigs of a tree. So it's 1. Yeah, let me go ahead with this. This is one branch I have taken, this is another branch I have taken, and this is one more branch. Yeah, so this is my tree. Okay, so there is no closed loop, all 4 things have been covered. So obviously the red color lines are the twigs, and these are the links I am drawing now. Yeah, okay, let us give the marking or numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can name this as tree D. So my tree D has links Twigs 2, 4, 5 and links 1, 3. Okay, let us see one more. So let me take it node 1, node 2, node 3 and this is node 4. So let me take the twigs here. Yeah, so the twigs are let me take 2 to 3, maybe the third branch and the fifth branch. Okay, so the remaining things are the links. Yes, so let me write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Yeah, and please write it and let me name this tree as tree E. So what are the twigs here? 2, 3 and 5. So what are the links here? 1 and 4. That's all. Okay, let me go ahead with one more. Yeah, same concept. Let me take the nodes, node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4. Take the twigs red color. How to go ahead? So they same thing. So how we have proceeded here? So we will get the same thing. 1, 5, 3. Is it okay? Yes, it's correct. So it is 1, it's 5, it's 3. So 1, 3, 5. Correct. Yeah. Let me mark twigs. These are the twigs and let me mark links also. So these two are the links here. So let me mark them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let me name it as tree F. So tree F has twigs of 1, 3, 5 and links as 2, 4. Very simple concept. Okay, so let's see so this is the way how we need to frame tree, how to identify the twigs, how to identify the links. Okay, very simple concept. Now let us see what are the let us observe the equations what we have studied in the previous video. Okay, let us see that part also. Yeah, so in this problem the number of nodes are capital N. So here the number of nodes are 4. So the number of nodes are 4. So we can take this capital N. And the number of branches are 5. So we need to take this as capital B. So as we know, the number of twigs, capital T is equal to capital N minus 1. So which is equal to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So number of twigs should be 3. And number of links, capital L is equal to, according to this formula, capital B minus of N minus 1, which is equal to capital B means 5 and N minus 1 is 3. So links should be equal to 2. So that's all. So let us see whether it has come or not. Yeah. So the number of twigs are here. So there are in each and every tree we have 3 twigs and in each and every tree we have 2 links. So that is the formula. Simply capital N is equal to number of nodes, capital B is equal to number of branches. If this is the case, so number of twigs capital T equal to capital N minus 1 and number of links capital L is equal to capital B minus of capital N minus 1. Simple concept. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can type in the comment box. And thank you so much for your careful listening. And please like this video and share this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and please press the bell button so that you will get the notifications whenever I upload any video. Thank you so much.